You can easily share Microsoft OneNote notes with others so that they can edit it simultaneously. In order to do that, I'm going to save this onto my OneDrive account first, as I did in my previous lesson, which I already did. And I'm going to go to File and going to go to Share. And since I've already saved this into OneDrive account, you can see that I can share this with people. I get a sharing link and so forth. So now I want to share this specifically so that people can edit this. So I'm going to choose Can Edit. View is just if you want the others to view it. I'm just going to say Can Edit. And over here, I'm going to add in the email address. So I'm going to go on to my temporary email options right here. So let me just go to the site. And so this is my temporary email right here. I'm going to copy this out and then paste it out over here onto my share. Alright, so there's my email address. So you just add in the email address of the people who you want to edit. So then I'm going to click Share. So it's going to send an email to the people. You can see that now this email address can edit the note. So let me just go back and you can see that this is the note. And if I were to go back over here, you can see that the inbox is empty, and now you can see that I have actually received this. So I shared OneNote. So let me just see what the content is, and right, let me just view that out. Alright, so this is the notebook. As you can see, the guests can actually see the notebook right here. So I'm going to view this in OneDrive, and a new page will open out just like that. So the OneDrive is opened up, and you can see that the web version of OneNote is accessible, and this is actually editable. So let me just load it up. So you can see that now OneNote is there, and this is what our guest sees. So you can see that an interactive version is actually there. So this is right from the web itself. So the software is loading out, and you can just say guest edit, right? So let me just type it out. The web software is still loading, so it's taking a bit of time. Alright, so now I can edit it. I'm just gonna say guest edit. Alright, so I added in this out, guest edit. Alright, and now it's syncing up, it's saving on to the OneDrive account. And if you were to go back over here, so other people can actually do this on their computer, and if I were to go back to OneDrive, now it'll be synced up right here. So you can see that guest edit is actually here, and you can see that something I typed on the web browser automatically sync over here. So if you're working with multiple people and you want to edit the same note at the same time, then you can easily use this feature. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.